Alright, let's start a new drawing and then immediately click Save As. And let's type a name for this drawing. Let's call it Polyline. Okay, Polyline, and click Save. So our topic today is going to be polylines. Polylines means that they are interconnected lines. Okay. Now when you draw a line, you click this button here, line, and it will draw a line by clicking 2 points, and then you can continue that line and you can go back to the beginning. Okay. Press escape to stop or enter to stop. When you create a line, it will create connected lines, but they are still separate lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so those are lines. There's another type of line that you can make, and this is called a polyline, and the shortcut is PLINE. So a PLINE, which stands for polyline, is the same thing. You can start a line by clicking 2 points and then continue until you go back to the very beginning. Okay, and then press escape or enter to stop. But the difference is when I select one line, everything will be selected, because the difference between a line and a polyline is that a polyline is a continuous segment and is one object. Okay, but if you select a line or an object made out of lines, they are individual objects. Okay, so individual objects using line, and then one object using polyline. Okay, now you can separate the objects by doing a explode. Okay, so here's explode. If I click explode and I select this polyline, it'll highlight. If I click OK or check, now they are separate. So 1, 2, 3. Just like this one is separate. 1, 2, 3. So you can separate polylines, okay, using the explode command. Okay, and you can actually put them back together, okay, by combining them into one. You can make them as a block, or you can edit this polyline, okay, or you can edit this back into a line, but we're gonna do that when we get to the advanced section of AutoCAD. Okay, so let's practice polyline and then save your work.